Gonna be blade swapping this 200i 20-inch box fan by Lakewood. Haven't done a blade swap in a while, so I figured I'd have a little fun, do it. Here it is with his original blade. Here's high. Really thin cabinet on these. 2.1 amps. Alright, now we're gonna get another blade on here. Alrighty, gonna start here with the my Toastmaster model 4737 or 4437. Fans from the same year as this fan, 91, and actually the grill was able to fit back on there with this fan, so it actually looks kind of cool like this. Anyway, here's high. Wow. I'm actually moving some air. I'm not running above spec or anything either, so this blade can really be used on this fan, fit this fan's motor. $192 watts, pretty typical. Yeah. We'll go down to medium. It's pretty somber. Running at 1.1 amps and 98 watts. Some blade noise. It's a little bit louder than the factory blade. I'm gonna have a low. Over at 0.7 amps, 59 watts. Yeah. Not bad. This blade could be used on this fan in case of emergency, I guess. Alright, next up's going to be a 3-wing high velocity blade off of this newly found Dayton 20-inch high velocity, commercial style high velocity. To be honest, I think this looks pretty cool in this fan. Like that does really look pretty appealing to me. Here's the back of it. Looks really cool like that as well. Sadly, the front grille won't fit on this because it hooks out a little bit too far. It would hit the front grille. Anyway, we're going to start this one up on low. Pretty good air movement for sure. I definitely feel that air coming. Some blade noise. Making a pretty cool sound too. And drawing 58 watts. Not really concerning. It's pretty normal, surprisingly. Go ahead and go up to medium. and only drawing 1 amp. The high. Working pretty well. I don't think that motor likes it that much, so I'm gonna stop it right there. Although it wasn't drawing too much power, I just kind of heard the bearings kind of starting to struggle a little bit. That's it for this blade. Alright, next up is going to be a blade off of a early 60s, or mid 60s rather, 8-inch GE fan. Pretty much the TV fan. Got a couple of those, but this is the blade off the one that I have that's non-functioning. Anyway, here's low. Making bad air, but running way under spec, which is not good. Medium. Medium's doing pretty good. Pretty quiet. At 0.8 amps, 67 watts. And it got me nervous with high speed. High speed, drawing about average actually, 170 watts. Next up's gonna be the Big Bad Dominion's blade. Alright, sadly the Dominion's blade is just too big to fit in there. There's not enough cabinet clearance. Almost very close, but I don't feel safe running it on there because it is like I said, very little cabinet clearance on these thin fans, but although it looks really cool on there. Back of it. I like the way that looks. Like a Mickey Mouse look to it. So, sadly I can't use this blade on this fan, particularly. Alright, so instead we're going to go ahead and try a modern Lasco Patrick Starfish blade. Piece of crap blade set. I hate these blade sets, but I just figured to save it just in case. It's around. There's low. It's doing alright, but I just hate that sound these things emit. Actually, it's running way under spec too, so it's not good. Medium. Medium's a little bit closer. And high. Yeah. This cheap, crappy blade. This is just gonna destroy this perfectly good fan. These are. This blade set's a joke for this fan. Here's quite the concoction. It is a Lasco bladed Lakewood. Don't see these often. Yeah, it's pretty much just a D-wing blade I had laying around, but it looks pretty cool on this fan too. Definitely interesting. Actually, the grill would fit on this too, but these take a lot of effort, so I don't have a lot of time to do this. Anyway, we'll start it out on low. You're on 0.7, just about on 56 watts. Not terrible. He's making the D blade or the butter knife blade sound on these. So. Medium. It's actually moving a lot of air. It's actually pretty nice. And drawing 1 amp. About typical for these. High speed. Yeah. Pretty much sounds like Alaska, and about the same performance as one. Just a really thin cap. It's a Lakewood. Yep. Spin down timer. Hope you enjoyed this blade swapping video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.